Here we are right now, opening bell, 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9:30 Eastern Time, 2/15, 2012. We got Apple just torching from that gap. A 514 is a low of that gap. That 515 handle is where they were shorting it in pre-market. So I'm going to be looking at that top reversal right here, and I'm going to fire up my MMT. But this is just walking around. This is what you got out of the Greece deal and all the prime ministers and who knows how many other things they're doing, but it was good enough to get a super gap to sell short on that opening bell. Baidu hits at 142.32 reversal. Right now I got a reversal on Baidu. Weight Watchers printing down here at 75.70 off of that earnings report late last night. A 75 call. I'm going to a Weight Watcher. I've got an alert right now on that opening bell from an MMT. WTW Weight Watchers, $75 call. Hey, it's going off that bottom, David. It's all right. There you go, Amazon. Hey, you're coming off that bottom of 75.50 in this name right now. So you're going to go to the $75 call. Well, here they are. They're $1 by 4. Wow, that's a $3 spread, and this is live. Throw that out there at $1.30. Get up $1. Get that thing out there. Work that bid up there. All right. Two's printed. Two's printed on the low. That's it. Just leave that. Hey, take that $1.30 up to $1.70. Walk that bid higher. CP throws it. That's 30 pennies below it. Let's mark to market that entry. They're coming down now. Come off, and let's see if they disappear. This is trying to steal that $75 call. Come off of there. Somebody got in at $1.70. I got the 5 in there. Now I told. Nope. Let that thing open up. That thing's making a bottom. It's holding 75.50. Throw that out at $1.60. Give me up. $1.65 throwing. MMT alert. That they were 770 on the close. What a Rich Norton steal in the bid at $1.70. Got to go $1.80 because he's going to follow you. $1.80 up that bid, up the bid. $1.80 bid. Is he going to throw it? $1.70 is the low. We created that print. Look at that. 5 of them there. Prop shop. There it is. Let's see if he throws it to you live on how to steal a call that was $7.70. So if you had 10 contracts, that would have been $7,700. Well, if I get 10 contracts down here, it's only $1,700. And then I can get back over here and sell it back to the public for a profit. How do you like me now? And I could work that number out off on that ask. Right now, we're going to steal that bid based on that stock. That's Weight Watchers right here. And we're featuring it. And I'm watching that Baidu also hold the lows there. So basically, you're at a flat bottom expansion, we call it. And so come off of that bid. Make them stay there now because you're pulling back in the name. So let's see if they start throwing and making a market. There's only 5 contracts that we got at $1.70 right there. So my point of it is that they were 770 and they stole the premium. Now I'm getting a bottom in, David. David, there it is. It's starting to put that bottom in above that 50 penny handle. You just stay on it. Here's the premium Weight Watchers that we were covering. That's this name right here. You can see it, that the $80 put that they're actually still in premium. The last print's $3.60. So when you're dropping below the $80 strike price, this is how people need to know and be trained on how they can steal that premium from who. And I'm going to buy that premium because I'm shorting the high at 77. And there's the low. It's got a $2.50 range. and that's a double top short on Weight Watcher. I'm going to conclude that 15-minute, almost 20-minute opening bell. Weight Watcher right here in the MM4, the MMT market maker platform, as we can see that it's coming right up to these tops right here. And once again, what you're looking for is when that top gets exhausted right here at that 10-minute is where that red bar forms. Right next to it as it goes up and tests it. So see how it's testing resistance in the price there, everyone? Now, to short it, you got to have a red bar. And you had a 1, 2, almost a 3 teeny breakout up here at 77.25. This is live right now. Getting that bottom is where you had the gap down. You had the 12-minute consolidation. Then you had the breakout to the resistance level, all in 18 minutes on the opening bell right here, right now. And you slightly exhausted this last high, okay? And that's where the seller and selling short into that 10-minute period is always the right thing to do, David. So there it is right there, MMT, okay? And now what you look for to go with it, once you get short up here and it drops, you'll be looking for another red bar to get below these two bars to confirm. Weight Watchers.